What's up guys, I'm n.t.d.c. Everyone's out mowing their lawn, so there won't be a whole lot of audio for this video, but I have a crap ton of paint here that I use for all my different projects, and I'm looking for a better way to store them. So I think I'm going to build some shelves today. Everything's already pre-cut, so it should go pretty quick. So let's get started.
Seriously?
So here it is, it's all put together. It went together surprisingly well. It only took me about 20 minutes, and I did forget bungee cords for right here and right here, but I'll pick up 2 more from the Dollar Tree and then it will be ready to go upstairs. If you're at home and you have a bunch of paint lying around and you want to make something similar to this one, I'll leave you the blueprints right here. And we'll see you guys next time. n.t.d.c out. Woo!